What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best gaming PCs in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. If you want to save a bit of money, we say check out the Dell G5 gaming desktop, also known as the best budget gaming PC on the market in 2022. The G5 stands out as an affordable option with enough power for relaxed multiplayer gaming, delivering 1080p resolution in the 1.5-inch chassis. The molded plastic front panel has 4 sections of diagonal lines and an LED strip that runs diagonally. The light is Dell Blue by default, but you can adjust the color and pattern using the pre-installed Alienware Command Center application. Diagonal slats on the front panel offer more than elegance, as they allow air to pass, turning the front panel into a giant opening to maximize airflow through the system. In addition to one 3.5-inch drive bay, the device features 2 free 2.5-inch drive bays, as well as an M.2 slot. The G5 gaming desktop offers plenty of ports on the front and rear panels. On the front, you'll find a pair of USB 2.0 ports, a USB 3.1 Type-A port, a USB-C port, plus microphone and headphone jacks. Having USB Type-A and Type-C ports is useful because you can connect your USB devices without having to locate a key or spare cable first. All models use the 10th generation Intel Core processors, but offer AMD Radeon and NVIDIA GeForce graphics cards, as well as a host of memory and storage options. The device comes with an Intel Core i7 10th Gen, and 16 gigabytes of memory. If you often attend LAN parties or transport your gaming PC, don't worry, because the Dell G5 gaming desktop has a compact design that'll fit into any space. If you want to upgrade your memory, your CPU, or your hard drive, you can do it very easily by releasing the 2 screws located on the back. The Dell G5 gaming desktop comes in the size of 12.12 by 6.65 by 14.45 inches, while its weight is 16.7 pounds. All in all, for the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. The next product we'll talk about is the HP Omen 30L. In our opinion, the best powerful gaming PC available on the market in 2022. This gaming desktop features superior hardware, combined with components from some of the best gaming brands. The device takes into account the needs of gamers when upgrading and modifying their computer. The computer is quiet, with liquid cooling, and in general, a system of fans that make little noise even when we load the computer to the maximum. Omen 30L is a fantastic solution. It has a minimalist clear glass tower and lid that are beautiful. It contains a set of components and connections that are easy to remove, as on a custom computer. The truth is that the Omen 30L is a pretty powerful beast when it comes to gaming, showing really good results on all tests. The device is driven by the Intel Core i9 10850K processor, accompanied by high-caliber graphics, such as NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti, as well as SSD memory and a total of 32 gigabytes of RAM. In terms of performance, Omen 30L runs smoothly on any game at higher ultra settings. The graphics screen is outstanding, and the sound coming from the headphones is impressively high quality. It's really fast and starts up in seconds, and in the future, the device can be easily upgraded. Another thing we really like about the 30L is how easy it is to access its interior. With the push of a button, we can open the box to clean it or modify any of the components. Speaking of design, it sports an undeniably elegant look, even with RGB lighting. The lights are perfect to give it a chic touch while retaining elegance, and they are completely adaptable. So the HP Omen 30L is a fantastic gaming computer that really has it all: power, great performance, and sleek design. If you want power, this is the one. If you're looking for a gaming computer with top features and performance, we say check out the Alienware Aurora Ryzen Edition R10. By far the best high-end gaming PC in 2022. There is no game it can't run. For example, the Dirt 5 racing game with maximum settings of 1080p offers a constant frame rate of 60 frames per second without a single cut or drop in FPS. Everything in this gaming computer will give you a sense of luxury. From its wonderful design, its components and specs, Aurora desktops embody the essence of a powerful pre-built platform with a semi-customized, almost boutique style in a way that makes them more accessible to the masses. The Aurora R10 Ryzen Edition exceeds its specifications with 32 gigabytes of 3400 MHz DDR4 memory, 1 terabyte Micron 2300 NVMe SSD, and a spacious 2 terabyte Seagate hard drive for mass storage. It also uses a liquid cooling circuit for the CPU, while a 1000 watt power supply keeps the lights on. This is a very well-balanced setting, with no obvious bottlenecks for most uses. Starting from hibernation, the Aurora R10 is the most efficient desktop computer available on the market lately. Generally speaking, these Aurora systems tend to have their standby power consumption under good control, although some of this may be due to the stricter RGB lighting schemes. Under load, the system reaches a maximum of about 537 watts. Amazing results. The device also indicates there is plenty of room to move if the component upgrades in the future. The power button on the Alienware logo is surrounded by a ring of illuminated RGB lights, along with 3 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, plus headphone and microphone ports. On the back of the computer, you'll find several ports including USB, audio, Ethernet, and graphics outputs. Also included in the mix is the AMD Ryzen 9 3900, delivering a fantastic gaming experience. If you want a gaming computer that offers you the highest FPS for gaming at 1080p or 4K, and you have a big budget, the Alienware Aurora Ryzen Edition R10 is a great option. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. The title of the runner-up best gaming PC available on the market in 2022 deservedly went to Acer Predator Orion 3000. This model comes with a 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor and plenty of storage space, as well as the legendary RTX 3070. The Orion 3000 range includes desktop computers for more affordable gaming by Acer. Considering it is quite powerful, designed to play 1440p and 4K games, the Orion 3000 is surprisingly compact. It's not exactly light, but the carrying handle on top makes the device easier to lift and move. A good choice for moving into the living room for the occasional VR party. The case has a free slot for adding another hard drive, and upgrading individual components such as CPU, RAM, or SSD shouldn't be too much of a problem. This Orion 3000 comes with 16 GB of RAM as standard, but upgrading to a 32 GB kit should be easy thanks to 2 unused DIMM slots. The included case fans are basic, but they do the job. Including a CPU cooler and integrated GPU fans, this computer has a total of 5 fans. As expected, it becomes noisy under load, but 4K gaming should not cause overheating problems. The physical connectivity here is solid, with a front I/O that supports USB-A and USB-C, as well as a headphone and microphone jacks, so it'll fit easily. All in all, this system worked exactly as we had hoped. The i7-10700 and 16 GB of HyperX memory go well with the RTX 3070, offering great performance in a wide range of games at 1440p with maximum graphics settings enabled. Also, it should be noted that the package includes a Predator RGB gaming mouse, as well as a gaming RGB keyboard. And last but not least, the Acer Predator Orion 3000 comes in the size of 15.2 by 6.89 by 15.43 inches, while it weighs 24.1 pounds. If you've given up on the GPU hunt and just want a great new system at a reasonable price, the Orion 3000 is a fantastic choice. And now, we've come to the unanimous conclusion that the Asus ROG Strix GA15 is the best overall gaming PC available on the market in 2022. This model sports an octa-core AMD Ryzen 3700X CPU, a base clock speed of 3.6 GHz, and a maximum gain speed of 4.4 GHz. The device sports an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti GPU with 6 GB of GDDR6 VRAM, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, 1 DP port, and a DVI port. The device is also equipped with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD, and a motherboard based on AMD B450 chipset. Wireless PC gaming features include Bluetooth 5.1 and a dual-band Wi-Fi. On the front, you'll find a diagonal RGB LED light, a power button with a white backlight, and an ROG logo. At the top are USB Type-A, USB Type-C, plus headphone and microphone jacks. All in all, the computer looks pretty good and doesn't overdo the gaming theme, but it still offers some RGB goodness, a transparent board, and retains the standard tower design. The ROG Strix is a fairly powerful CPU and mid-range GPU, and its performance follows the same path. You can easily perform almost any productivity task. As for games, you can be sure that you can run most games at 60 FPS or more in full HD resolution. The computer works quite well and makes almost no noise even under heavy load. Even for heavier titles, you can easily achieve 60 frames per second with medium to heavy preset values in 1080p resolution. Then, there's the upgrade section of this computer that allows you to replace your current GPU with a newer, more powerful model in the future. The onboard My Asus software package provides information on the entire system and an easy way to download driver and manual updates. The ROG Strix GA15 is a great gaming machine, offering excellent overall performance for productivity as well as gaming-related tasks. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.